Hey guys, it's Alicia with a quick reminder. I just got a memory on Facebook about this post, and it reminded me that this is one of the posts that I put on my personal Facebook page. I didn't even have a chance to get it over to Instagram or anywhere else because it got me so much new business. But it says, finish this sentence. I need a blank logo, website, graphics. I'm going to help you get it done. And when I posted this, people commented with what they needed. Now, a little bit of a tip. After I need a blank, whatever you put in those parentheses, logo, website, graphics, that's what people are going to look at and be like, oh yeah, I need a logo. So think about what you really want to do for them as a service, even if you flip it and get somebody else to do it, and write that up. So let me just show you how to write something like that up. Let me just see what I wrote. Finish this sentence. Okay. All right. So here we go. Finish this sentence. I need help to, what did I write? Hang on one second. Oh, I think it's like, I need a blank, right? And then I put logo design, website, graphics. And then I put, I'm going to help you get it done, exclamation mark. And then I'm clicking on this color block right under there, and I'm going to pick one of these colors. I like to use a lime green. I wish it was like bright yellow, but lime green works, and I do that as lime green, and I post that on social media, and it gets a lot of responses. So if there's one thing that you can do today to get the word out about your business, post this on every social media platform that you are active on. If you have a friend, let's say my sister's willing to post it, I'll say, finish this sentence, blah, 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 blah. And then I'll write, my sis Lorette is, and I would definitely tag her in it so she would see it. People would know her. Sister Lorette is going to help you get it done, right? Do you see how that goes? And so you could ask your friends and your family members, and I could put here, my friend Lorette is going to help you get it done. I shouldn't have pressed enter because, there you go. It's going to help you get it done. So if you notice that happens, it changes from the color to not having a color. It's because you put too many characters in it. So just putting the exclamation mark makes it now just like copy, and then I'd have to put an image. So I try to do it like this, and you can play around with it, but just make sure. I like it when it has just this simple background. It works. You can also, do it with one of these images with your emoji. I find that just the plain green black background would work a lot better. So I stick with if you want to do yellow, there's a yellow one as well. I think that's too pastel. I want it to really stand out in people's newsfeed. So anyway, try this on social media, do it repeatedly, and everywhere that you're active, make sure to make it happen. I hope this helps, and let's pull in some business for you this week. Let's go. Bye for now.